Pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Got a cool train set thing down there with a moving train. I'll show you guys that in a bit. Got some steam engines and a big steam engine and about the same size, but oh, what the heck. Got some more cool train stuff down here. Got a bunch of train cars and got more stuff down here. More engines and New York Central, Western Pacific, Southern Pacific, I think, and Santa Fe over there, the old steam engine. Let's try and find that train that goes around in that set. They got a little city up there, and there's an overpass, and then the tracks are down there. I know, it's pretty cool, huh? Got some that crane, and I guess the train's not moving, but. And over here, they got some sort of simulation thing, which is pretty cool. The Loco Cab. Well, it says push me, but I don't trust.
Firefighters take a 3-minute break when the fire was out. I have no idea what that is.
I'm not pushing it. I don't trust it.
You should have asked.
Huh?
You should have asked.
So they got pretty cool stuff here. Ooh, let's take a look at this. Huh.
Looks like trains come out of here too, maybe. I don't know. Maybe not.
I don't know.
No trains come out of this.
But look, there's buttons down there. I don't know what those are for, but...
It probably turns it on and like exits certain parts, you know? Like lights and things start moving. There's some grease on my pants.
Oh gosh.
Don't know where it came from.
We got this crossing, which is pretty cool. It even has this stop sign. Look. Hey.
Oh.
You got that stop sign too. That's pretty cool.
Get this one too.
Oh yeah. They got this old wigwag crossing. I don't even know if these really exist anymore, to be honest. There was one in Delhi, Colorado, but I don't know if it's a thing anymore. It looks like they got a train set out of Legos. Train set out of Legos. Pretty cool.
That thing looks like it goes to.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that's possible. Whole bunch of train stuff, and looks like there's some sort of loading place or something. Maybe. I don't know. Looks like they got a road here. Oh, look, the Union Pacific steam engine that comes through town once a year.
Really? It only comes once a year?
Yeah. Yeah, this Union Pacific steam engine, which is known as the Big Boy for whatever reason, it only comes through here once a year.
Dude, this is cool. Did you ever like this stuff? That's awesome, man.
Yeah, it looks pretty cool. For it being a railroad museum, I'm kind of surprised that they have like stuff like cities, huh?
Like I don't know what this is for, but
logs.
maybe just logs.
Look, there's people on them.
I know, right?
Pretty weird. And you can't go past here, but they got lights and the tracks go further down. I could show you more of it if we go up, but let's see. And it goes around over there. I'll have to show you that up here.
You gotta leave here in a couple minutes, so.
I know. Oh, I guess it doesn't. I guess you'll have to go somewhere else or something. I don't know. Yeah, you see it goes over there. Platform 4. So they got all this stuff. And they also got these stickers. Union Pacific, the world's largest model steam engine. I'm not sure where that's at, unless it's one of those over there. But maybe it's one of these. Or all of them even. Considering the fact that they're all big engines. Oh, this too, look. They got certain track signs. They got the railroad sign right there. Stop, whatever that's for. I don't see much crossings with that, but then they got one track. They got all the amount of tracks that a crossing can have. Stop on red signal. Well, that should be obvious, but I don't have. I think that might be for the gate, but I don't know.
I think it's like the switch. To switch the track, you know?
Yeah, maybe.
Because it says electric switch.
I'm just not sure what this other part here is for.
That's like the lever you pull, I think, to turn it, you know?
Yeah, it could be. So, this is a pretty cool place, you guys. Oh, look, another Union Pacific thing over there. Oh, I should show you these too. And what's down here. So. Very cool. They got it shipped. Hold on. Amtrak. Alright. This is the museum, the Railroad Museum here in Greeley. Just
listen to if you want.
You can?
Yeah, you can. It says children must be accompanied by an adult. You wanna go in there?
Yeah, we can go in there, see what it's like. Let's see what's in here. Beds. I wonder if this is what it's. Well, no, probably not. But I was wondering if maybe this is what it looks like on the inside of a train or something. But I don't know. But anyways, though. Oh, look. It looks like another one of those things, kind of.
What?
Yeah. Anyways, this is the Railroad Museum here in Greeley. I think it's pretty cool. So we'll see you guys on another video whenever I make another one, and have a good day. What do you want to say before I end? Nothing? Okay, see you guys.